Morning and welcome back to the channel. So today we're just at the Isle of Man ferry terminal having a look at the new Manxman. The Manxman is a new build Ropax ferry which entered service with the Isle of Man Steam Packet Company on the 17th of August 2023. Now this ship cost £80 million to build. Also, it has a speed of 19.25 knots. It has a capacity passengers 948, cars 237 and 75 trailers. It also has a crew of 52 people. Well, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and comment, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye now.